Hello, in this video, I will guide you how can you buy a hosting and domain from hoster.com. So these are the plan. This is our website and this is the starter plan, professional plan, enterprise and all things I have mentioned here. And if you have any confusion, you can click on this WhatsApp button and you can contact us and you can ask any question. Okay, so if you want to buy this plan, starter plan, so you need to just click on order now, and here you can find two options. So first one is register new domain and the second option I will use my existing domain. So it's mean if you want to buy a domain and hosting from hoster, then you need to select this option. And the other option is if you have already buy a domain is just like here, this is a hoster.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, it's called our domain. So if you have already buy a domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy or any other domain provider, then you need to choose this one. For example, if you have buy a domain, for example, my domain, okay, my domain, for example, you have buy a domain.net. So you need to clear here, write net and then click on choose. But if you have not buy a domain and you also want to buy a domain, then you need to click here and then you can try here. For example, mm, domain just like my domain test, and here all the basically domain which we have provided .com.net and all the things. And for the main domains prices, you can visit our site and here you can see the prices of the domain, the other the main domain. And also you can, if you basically search here, you can just like XYZ and click on check, and here you can see the my domain text dot XYZ is available and can to register this domain for USD 3. So it's just $3. Okay, and here also it's also provided in .NET. Price is 14 USD, and these are the .NET prices. And in the .VIP is USD 6, USD .EU USD 6. Okay, and .xyz 3 USD. Website is a USD 2, and .com is 12 USD, which we have provided. So maybe when you obviously decide, the prices may be changed. So then you if you want to also buy a domain and hosting, then you need to click on check. Okay, it's available, and then you need to continue. Okay, then you need to also, I think these are all the free, so you need to choose here. And here basically uh the domain registration is $3, and the starter plan is 24. It's at $2 per month. So it's a yearly price. So annually, basically, you need to pay this one. Then click on checkout. And here you need to fill all the information, just like first name, last name. Basically, you need to register here. Okay, so I have filled on my first name, last name, email address, the phone number, and all the details I have filled here. And here I have basically entered the password. Okay, so now you can pay from these detail from crypto, USD, MCB, easy pesa, all the things you can easily pay. So if you have any confusion for the payment, you can just click on this WhatsApp button and you can contact us. And then you can click on complete orders and so save. Okay, our user already exists. Okay, I have also created this email. Um, okay. So let me check. I have used this one because I have already used this email. And enter password. Okay. I can click on generate password and confirm and now click complete orders. Right. Yeah. Now it's creating the orders. Okay. So now this is the receipt, and when you give the order, our team is contact with you, the number you have provided. So we will encourage you to give us a WhatsApp number so we can contact on your WhatsApp number. And if you have any basically face difficulty to send the payment, so you can basically contact on WhatsApp. Thank you.